Hi everybody, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make dictionaries that look like this. Okay, I just made this dictionary now and I want to show you using the same method that I use to create the same dictionary again of the same language right away. Alright, this is another dictionary created by Roger Blanche and I. On this language it's called Bura. It has special characters. How do you do that? Okay, first you need softwares beginning from Fieldworks Language Explorer. Of course, you should have one. Yeah, very good for making dictionaries. Second, you have either Pathway or Prince. Pathway is leads you to LibreOffice, in which case you can edit it. Prince will just create the PDF that cannot be edited. Right. So once you from Pathway, you can either choose Prince or LibreOffice. Right. Having said that, let us dive in. But okay, let me mention that LibreOffice is not just an option among many. It's the only possible option. You cannot go with WPS or Microsoft Word because that's not how it works. So it only allows for LibreOffice. So this is a dictionary, a flex file of a language called Limuru, spoken in Bauchi, Plateau, and in Kaduna. All right. For you to make this dictionary, some things have to be done. First, you want to set up your dictionary view to have your IPA in open and close brackets, your grammatical category, and any other information. In this case, we have Hausa as well, and then we included it. How about whenever there are plurals, what do? We also have plurals, and in this case I have included it. How do I do that? You check your flex. You may not have all of these details, but I'll just show you in a moment how you can do this and show up this information. Right, so it's done here where if you have head word, you choose the head word, and to choose the IPA, please just choose this and then give the before and after here, just the way it is. For the plural, I chose this, and then before it, I said PL. For instance, if I delete that, take note of that, it's deleted. Once I just say this and give space, it does that. I also have the chance to go in and change a lot of things concerning the font, if it's general, if it's English, or if it's the specific writing system. Right, these are familiar things. Make sure you tick if you want to go through the senses, the gloss, and all of this. Okay, that's something you should take. Right, next, you want to also make sure that you sort appropriately, especially when there are special characters. Um, I often use this option, and then if there are special characters, I just come here and make sure that I have my paste and put it in. I put my capital letter, everything. Once I'm done, I say okay. You make sure that it's sorted. That's how you want it to be. You test it, and you see that that's exactly what you want to see. Okay, but also then I should check my dictionary here to see how it will look. How does it look? How does it look? If everything is well arranged here, I can expect it to also go in the same direction. Let's see. Is everything okay? Do I have special characters that I'm missing or not in the right position? Okay, I think that everything is well. Then let us export. Okay. What format can we export? This is what I have. Before I export, I want to make sure I check if there are any filters, because it will export plus the filter. So if I filter and I only have maybe 10 words, so this is a dictionary having 735 words. I have this because it's a kind of different file, so I decided to filter and have just these non-blanks, and these are the ones I want to create a dictionary with. So if, for instance, I filter, maybe I have any filter on, like maybe I said only nouns here, then only the nouns will be created in the dictionary. So you want to make sure that everything is set. And once everything is set, we can then export the right format. So in export, This is the format to be exported pathway. Yeah, then yes, it might show this, but don't worry, just a little thing, doesn't matter. So it brings you to this point. I want to check, this is Open Office. I've mentioned Prince, so but that's not what we want to use. We want to use LibreOffice. Okay, A4, this is what I want to use, but I can always preview here to see how it will look, how it will appear. If I'm not happy with it, I can obviously choose another option, but I prefer to go by this. I say okay, and then of course I need to say more. The dictionary is the Moro dictionary, and it's I want to do this Moro language. It's created by me. I want to also look at this. I can obviously change the cover image page and all of that. I can obviously do a lot of things. Just make sure that you explore as much as you can. Once I'm done with filling in all of these issues as much as I want, I can now say I have confirmed with my organization, whatever it is, don't worry. Say okay. Then it will just take some time, and then my dictionary should be ready after all. Okay, beautiful. Okay, then you see this message popping up. Now it's opening in LibreOffice. Mind you, I say that in LibreOffice, LibreOffice allows us to edit. So this is what you find, obviously. Nice. It's exactly how we wanted it. Of course, it gives me page numbering here. And what else can I do? I can obviously edit. It means I can change a lot of things. What can I change? I can still change things. I can still do bulk edit, find and replace whatever things I am not comfortable with. I can still do that. This image, of course, I can still move it. I can still adjust it if I want to. I can still adjust it, and I could still add notes underneath if I want. But outside that, then I can say export as PDF. You can still play around with it, but for you to add anything, usually it will only ask you to use text box in LibreOffice. So this is LibreOffice, of course. To do more, then we just export as PDF. Once we export as PDF, we have Oral Dictionary. Okay, I should see it. How will it look? This is exactly what we did, and this is what we have. I hope that you like it. Of course, I would have covered this space. Not a big deal, but I would have done that. And okay, why not give it a try and let's see what you can do.